Thanks so much for your support of the Classroom Renovation Initiative. My name is Paige Brewster and I'm BUA's Director of Operations and Special Projects. Your generosity has enabled the school to put needed attention to its aging physical plant. As you may know, phase 1 of this project included the renovation of 2 classrooms this winter. More specifically, funds went toward new carpets, larger whiteboards, upgraded ceiling tiles, LED dimmable light fixtures, fresh coats of paint, flexible classroom tables and chairs for students, and adjustable height workspaces for the teachers. And in room 210, we installed anti-glare window blinds, purchased a set of 16 meditation cushions to be used for mindfulness class, or if students would like to borrow them on their own, and a 55-inch interactive display and touchscreen whiteboard. The new spaces will serve as living laboratories that will help to inform future upgrades to the BUA building. We're excited by the early responses to the new spaces, especially given how important the classroom experience is to teaching and learning at BUA. We have found that our students and curriculum have adapted well, and our hope is to be able to update additional classrooms based on teachers' feedback and demand. Thanks again for your help to make this possible.
Hi, I'm Mark Allange. I teach Greek and Latin and 9th grade history here at BUA. This is my 6th year. The new furniture has made a real big difference in my ability to change up the format of the room. Right now, the room is set up for sort of small group work in these little tables, but typically we're sort of set up in like a big U shape for sort of class discussion. But it's great to be able to change it up for different kinds of activities. Earlier today, for example, in my history class, the students gave speeches that they wrote, and the room was set up in a sort of lecture hall style.
My fellow Roman, I am here today to warn you of the menace among us, Quintus Fabius Maximus.
And to be able to go from that to this in a matter of minutes makes a huge difference in terms of my flexibility, my ability to run different kinds of activities in different classes, especially since I teach different classes during the day, Greek and then Latin and then history, and they have different sizes of students in each class. Being able to adapt the space to fit each class, not only their size, but what we're doing, has made a huge difference in my teaching and sort of my interaction with the students.
Thank you so much for supporting BUA and for supporting Renewed Classrooms.
Thank you so much for improving our classrooms.
We really appreciate your investment in our learning experience.
Thank you for contributing to the classroom renovations.
We love the classrooms and especially the chairs.
Thank you so much for supporting the Classroom Renovation Initiative. It's made a huge difference in my teaching here at BUA, and I know it will really change and transform how all of our teachers teach our students and how our students learn.